Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting feature on Instagram that allows you to confirm old follow requests directly from your PC. With the latest update, managing your follow requests has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open Instagram on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the necessary features without any interruptions. Once you're in, look for the notifications icon on the left side menu. This icon typically resembles a heart or bell and is where all your activity notifications are stored. Click on it to see a list of recent interactions, including follow requests. Next, navigate to the follow requests section. This area will show you all the pending follow requests that you have received. It's a straightforward way to keep track of who wants to connect with you. Now, take a moment to find the follow request you want to confirm. Scroll through the list of requests until you locate the user whose request you wish to accept. This step is crucial as it ensures you're only confirming those connections that matter to you. Once you've identified the right request, simply click Confirm next to their name. This action will send them a notification that you've accepted their follow request, allowing them to see your posts and stories. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage and confirm old follow requests on Instagram using your PC. This new update streamlines the process and helps keep your social connections organized. Remember, staying connected with friends and followers is essential in today's digital world, and Instagram makes it easy to do just that. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on navigating social media platforms effectively. Happy connecting!